Hey everyone! Today we have a super quick tutorial on how to check battery status on Windows 11. It's quick and easy, and I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the command prompt. From the search bar, type CMD and run it as administrator. Step 2. Type the command. In this, type PowerG battery report as it is and press enter. So as you can see the battery report generated. Step 3. Follow this path. Open your File Explorer. This PC. Local disk C. Windows folder. System 32. If you face difficulty finding a folder, you can simply search here like this. In this folder, scroll down or search Battery Report. Cut this HTML file to the desktop. And open it. You can use any browser to open this file. And that's it. Here you can check installed batteries, recent usage, battery usage, usage history, battery capacity history, battery life estimates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.